Hi, my name is Roshan. I'm the group leader from Group 3, and today me and my teammates will be presenting our solutions.
Hi, my name is Waheeda. So today I'm going to explain about question number 1, linear programming and maximization problem. So let's start with part A, where we have to formulate linear programming model to maximize profit for a bakery that produces chocolates and vanilla cakes. So first we have to define our variable, which is x and y. X is for the number of chocolate cakes should produce, and y is the number of vanilla cakes should be produced each week. So next we have to identify our objective function. Our goal is to maximize profit, where chocolate cakes can give a profit for $5 and a vanilla cakes can give a profit for $8. So our objective function will be p equal to 5x plus 8y, where p is the total profit. So now let's identify the constraints. We have 4 constraints. The first constraint is baking time constraint, so where each chocolate cakes need up to 20 minutes and each vanilla cakes needs 30 minutes to produce. The total available baking time per week is 7,200 minutes. Second constraint is space constraint, where the total number of chocolate cakes plus half of the chocolate cakes should not exceed 300. So we write it as y plus 1 over 2x, not more than 300. The third constraint is demand constraint, where the bakery should produce at least 3 times as many chocolate cakes as vanilla cake. So we write it as x greater than 3y. For the non-negativity constraint, both x and y need to be greater than 0 because we can't produce negative cakes. Moving on to part B, we have to graph a feasible region based on our constraints. To plot the constraint, we have to change it to equal sign by replacing the inequality symbols to equal symbol. And then we have to find the intercept, which is when x equal to 0 and when y equal to 0. Once we find the point, we can plot the graph by using the coordinate that we already found. After we plot the graph, we can actually shade the feasible region, which is satisfy all the constraints. Moving on to the part C, using method corner point, we have to determine on how many chocolate cakes and vanilla cakes should be produced to maximize profit. The feasible region corner points are the intersection of corner points of the constraints lines, which is 0, 0, 0 to 140, and also 360 and 120. The third point, we have to find it by solving an equation. We have to take the first equation and second equation using elimination methods. So I am using elimination methods. Once I already got the y value, I substitute the y value into any equation. For example, I use the equation number 2 to substitute y value. And then I got 360 and 120. Now we have to substitute these points into our objective function, which is p equal to 5x plus 8y. First point we get 0, and second point we get 1920, and the third point we get 2760. Since this is maximization problem, we need to choose the higher value, which is 2760. So to sum up everything, the highest profit is $2,760, which occurs at 360 and 120. This means the bakery should produce 360 chocolate cakes and 120 chocolate cakes to maximize profit. So I think that's all from me.
Hi, I'm Mimi, and now let me walk you through the situation. I'm planning to purchase a Ford Escape which costs $32,000. The dealership has offered 3 financing options, each with different down payments, loan amounts, interest rates, and terms. For each of these options, the monthly interest rate is calculated by dividing the annual interest rate by 12, since there are 12 months in a year. Now, let's see how these details affect the monthly payments. Next, we calculate the monthly payments for each option using this formula. M is the monthly payment, P is the loan amount, R is the monthly interest rate, and N is the number of months in the loan term. For option A, the loan amount is $27,000, the monthly interest rate is 0.005, and the loan term is 60 months. Plugging these values into the formula, the monthly payment comes out to $521.99. For option B, the loan amount is lower at $24,000. The monthly interest rate is 0.004583, and the term is longer at 72 months. This results in a monthly payment of $392.11, which is the lowest among the 3 options. For option C, the loan amount is $28,800. The monthly interest rate is 0.005167, and the term is the longest at 84 months. The monthly payment here is $423.49. Understanding loan calculations like we've done here is very useful in business and economics. It helps businesses choose the best financing options for investments, manage cash flow, and plan budgets effectively. For individuals, it's essential for making informed financial decisions, such as selecting affordable loans, Overall, this knowledge supports better financial planning and decision making in both personal and professional contexts. That's all from my part. I'm going to pass this to the next person.
Now I'll be calculating question 2b, where we need to calculate the total amount of interest paid over the term of this loan for each option. So for option A, we actually need to calculate the interest of $27,000. Therefore, we need to pick 31,319 and 14 cents minus 27,000. We get $4,319.14. For option B, we need to minus 28,231.87 minus 24,000, and we get the remainder of $4,231.87. And for the last option, we will minus 35,573.42 minus 28,800, and we will get the remainder of 6,773.42 cents.
Hi, so for my part, I will be doing question 2C and 2D. So first, for question C, we will be finding the total car loan for each option. For option A, the car price is $32,000 and the down payment is $5,000, which makes the loan amount $27,000. While for option B, the down payment is $8,000, which makes the loan amount $24,000. And for option C, the down payment is 10% of $32,000, which makes the down payment $3,200. So the loan amount is $28,800. Now for question D, we will be finding the total interest paid and the monthly payment affordability for each option. For option A, it has a 6% interest rate for 5 years. For option B, it has the lowest interest rate, which is 5.5% for 6 years. And for option C, it has the longest loan term for 7 years and has the highest rate, which is 6.2%. Now, if you want the minimum total cost, option B is the best since it has the lowest interest rate and a reasonable term. But if you prefer a lower monthly payment, then option C might be better because you will be paying more interest over time. That's it. Thank you.
The initial design and setup cost for the factory is about $1.5 million. So the additional cost of manufacturing laptop can be modeled by the function of mx equals to 0.02x power of 2 plus 30x minus 8, where x is the number of laptops produced and mx is the manufacturing cost in millions of dollars. The quantity of x of laptops demanded each week is related to the unit price P in thousands of dollars is given by the equation P equals to 400 minus 4x. So in this question, we need to find the cost of revenue and profit functions, find the marginal cost, marginal revenue and marginal profit functions, and for the presentation assessment, we also need to determine a value of x, calculate and interpret the marginal cost, revenue and marginal profit for the x. 0.02 x to the power of 2 plus 30x minus 8, and after we have done solving the equation, we get the cost function of 0.02x power of 2 plus 30x minus 6.5. Now we go to the revenue functions. So for the revenue functions, we have to take the profit function times with x. So x times with 400 minus 4x, you get the revenue function of 400x minus 4x power of 2. Lastly, now we have to go to the profit function. So in order to find the profit function, we take revenue function and minus the cost function itself. So after doing the equation where we take 400x minus 4x to the power of 2 minus 0.02x to the power of 2 minus 30x plus 6.5, we get the equation for profit functions of negative 4.02x to the power of 2 plus 370x plus 6.5. And that's all from me.
Hi everyone, for question B, I just differentiate the functions that I calculated from question A. And for question C, the maximized profit, we set P prime X equals to 0 and solve X as usual, and X is equals to 46. So what happened when X is equals to 46? Starting with marginal cost, the cost increases by 31.84 million when producing one more laptop, Marginal revenue, the revenue increases by 32 million when selling one more laptop. And last but not least, the marginal profit, the profit decreases by 160k after producing the 46 laptop.
So that concludes our presentation. Signing out from Group 3.